Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Archer and Olive that I use for work. And this week I will be decorating with a kit from Let's Plan It. So I got their deco sheet. And I also got their, I think it was their the mini vertical kit in Fern. So I have that left over because I actually did my hemlock and oak spread first. So this is what's left over. And I'm going to bring in some washi from Together with KX and possibly some from Simply Gilded. Let's get started. All right, so Monday is Labor Day, so it's actually a day off. I'm going to, how do I want to do this? I have my own day off sticker, so I do want to use that. So I'll put this here with the day off. This is from my oops pile because I'm still trying to figure out the proper cut settings on my silhouette. So day off, and I'll just actually leave it like, wow, that's totally not straight, or is that just me? Okay. Then Tuesday, I'm gonna leave the dates as they are, and then actually white out the days where it's the weekend, so I won't need those days of the week. They'll be for notes because I don't want them peeking through the sticker either. So how do I want to do this? Because there's a bunch of these do this stuff, which is perfect for this week. So what I think I'm going to do is going to do a mix of this. And actually, I don't want it to look like perfect. I want it to kind of look like it's been ripped. But these stickers are very hard to rip, so I have to cut them. Just like that. Then place this here and put a do this stuff just like that. Maybe mix it with, actually I want to use some of, no, I'll use this. But I feel like this would go really well as decor somewhere else. And there's another, here we go. This is what I'm looking for. And then another here. I'm gonna make it so that it's not right next to the last one. It's just a little bit off so that it doesn't look like right next to it. And then do this stuff. I love that. And then lastly, I'm gonna use this one just a little bit higher with the last do this stuff. And so far I'm actually really loving this kit because I'm able to really get it for all three spreads. And you guys know me, I'm very, what is the word? Frugal when it comes to, you know, what would work and how much. Like I try to basically make a kit last partly out of being frugal, but the other part is also, it's just so much easier having all of my spreads match, you know? So, ooh, I like that. And then I'm going to combine this over here with, I'm going to cut this one in half because I don't want to necessarily use the whole thing. And now I'm just thinking I do want to actually save some of this for my horizontal spread. So unfortunately, you're going back there. And I'm going to use this orange with this Simply Gilded. that. And put the two bows together. And I'm going to cut a little bit of that off. And then add a leaf. Actually, just like so. Then this I feel like would fit right here with this. And I noticed, yes, I haven't done that yet because I'm still trying to figure it out. So what I'm gonna then do is, oh, I think I know. For the dates, I'm gonna just draw the circles in, and then I will write the numbers in. With my Tombow Sudenosuke, what is the Monday? The 6th. And then I know I've already written day off here, so I don't want to really do it again. But I almost feel like I want to put this don't forget sticker here with this to give myself any reminders about anything this week. I like that. I like that it's not completely center. And then I'm going to go ahead and write in the word meetings for the week. It's really hard with the bigger brush pen. Like adding that color in there, making sure that I'm still in frame. And then I'm gonna go in and add these underneath, although I'm sure I will have a lot more than just the 3 tasks that are listed there. But hey, that is okay. And yeah, I'm gonna put that a little lower. Add that. I do like trying out different kits because every shop does them slightly differently, and it's nice to actually try and figure out which kits work best for you in terms of like what the shop offers in for functionality, things like that. So let's add some Simply Gilded up here. Whoops. Oof, that did not sound nice. Ugh. And just a little. And just seeing if I do have a lot to go around. So I'm always making sure I have enough for all 3 of my spreads now. I did decide that this week I won't be filming my journal. I feel like I do put a lot of time into it, and it's not really getting a lot of views, and I don't necessarily want to post any content that isn't going to be valuable for you guys. So if you don't find the what's it called the Plan With Me's for my horizontal planner valuable, or if you do, let me know. Yeah, I think I'm done. I love that. I think I am done. All right, but again, that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love when a spread just comes together and then it's like, got it. All right, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.